Hi guys, I will show you how to make money by solving question in the field where are you good? Let's start. We click on this link. Then we click here. After we fill in the request information. I am randomly filling this place. After that we choose some categories just like math, calculus, chemistry. We click here. We fill in the request information. Yes. You can write here achievements or averages in school. Have you taught before? Yes. Just like check. YouTube. Let's begin. Please upload documentation that demonstrates your education's background. I am randomly filling this place. Then we click here. Please upload a clear photo ID. Examples government ID, student ID or driver's license. I am randomly filling this place. After that we click here. Please take and upload a photo of yourself holding the same ID. For best results, take a selfie of your holding the same ID next to your face. We randomly displays. After we click here. We are processing your applications. Thank you for applying to be a tutor and Coursehero. You are one step closer to helping over 10 million students with their homework question. Please allow up to 5 business days for us to reviewing your application. And we wait. Coursehero sent me email. After that, we solve questions for some money. And we gave money, solve questions. Where are you good? That's it. Money is money.